Good morning everyone, and welcome back to today's vlog. So, as you can see, I have a little sunburn from playing in the ocean yesterday. So it's a lot of other people, but hopefully it turns into tan. So I'm really hungry. Let's go see what we can find to eat. So I made myself a bagel, and now I think all of us girls are gonna go to a coffee shop. So I'll take you along. We made it here. So you can still see my sunburn, but we got our coffee. Mine is a Nutella cappuccino, so it's really good. So I think that's all we're gonna do. So we're gonna drink it and then hang out with these guys, and yeah. Okay, so we're leaving now. We're finished. I'm not sure where we're going now. So. So now I got my coffee and donut. So yeah. Look at that pirate ship. That's so stinking cool. But we're still, we're doing, actually I'm not quite sure what this is, but is it, I'm not sure what it is. It's like, oh, there's a picture being taken. If it's a gift shop or what, but it's super cool. So, got it. Now you all get in there. Okay. Oh my. Okay, we're gonna go into this pirate ship shop. It's like, I think it's like a souvenir shop. Oh, yep, it is. So we're gonna go in and do some shopping. Strange. That is a real baby shark. Look at that. Ew. It's a puffer fish. It's weird. So I got this. This is the only thing I got out of this store. So I think we're gonna go to the next store or something else. Whoopsie. So yeah. So I finished up in that place. Hopefully you can hear me. So we went to that little coffee place or little chocolate place you saw just now. So okay, we made supper. I mean lunch. There's Josh. There's hot dogs, beans, and cornbread. So pretty good. There it is in all of its glory. Simple but good. So other than this morning, going to the coffee shop and all those shops, we have done literally nothing but play games, and that's about it. So right now we're at supper and having grilled cheese and tomato soup. So I'm sure it's going to be good, and I'm not sure if there's going to be anything else we're going to do, so I guess we'll see. Okay, so I forgot to end the vlog last night, so it is the next morning. So I would like to just say, if you like this video, make sure you give it a like, And make sure you comment down below. Make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.